Let's take a look at a common thought that newer traders have that is optimistic, but not really realistic. But understand that this is not, and this is going to be the tough part about trading, where we don't know that something is happening until it's already happened. That's just, it is what it is, right? We don't know that we have a higher high, higher close until we have a higher high, higher close. We don't know that we're in a bullish trend until we're in a bullish trend, right? This is, we get a lot of questions where it's like, Akil, so you say the market trends and the market consolidates, right? I'm like, yeah. And typically in times of your consolidation, it's going to be tough to be a trend trader. Typically in times of directional movement, so trending movement, it's going to be tough to be like a consolidative trader. Well, light bulb goes off. I've mastered it. I've got the perfect plan, Akil. I'm going to be a trend trader as soon as the market trends. But wait, when it starts consolidating, I'm going to be a consolidation trader. And then when it's done consolidating, I'm going to be a trend trader again. And it sounds perfect, right? You map out this plan, you're like, boom, I've mastered this thing. But there's one problem. And this is the problem that comes when you, most people, they don't back test or anything like that. They kind of just jump into the market with live money, right? But there's one problem. We don't know that the market is trending until it's already been trending, right? By the time we can label this, it's already happened. We don't know that the market is in consolidation until the market is already consolidating. So what happens with a lot of traders is that by the time the market is trending, right, they switch to their trend trading style, and then it goes into consolidation and they get beat to death. But then they switch their consolidative trading style right when the consolidation is over and the market starts trending again and they get beat to death. And they bleed money on both ends because they're late. So it's a good idea. I appreciate the thought, right? I appreciate the thought of doing that. But the reality is it's going to be a little bit more difficult than you think to do both. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to hop into one of our live sessions, feel free. It comes as part of your 14-day risk-free trial membership over at tier1trading.com. Just head over to the platform, sign up for your trial membership, gets you on the platform for 14 days. You can join our live sessions. You can take some training. You can download some software, and of course, join the community for no risk at all.